Because the moment you ask, what does it mean to be black? You immediately step into dangerous territory. Not because the question itself is dangerous, but because almost everyone already thinks they know the answer. But maybe the discomfort begins when we realize something unsettling. The deeper you examine identity, the harder it becomes to define it. Because what exactly are we talking about? Skin color, genetics, geography, ancestry. Now, here is where the conversation becomes more complicated. Although biological differences exist, modern genetics has revealed something fascinating. The categories we casually call black, white, Asian, and other racial labels are often much less biologically precise than people imagine. Because genetically, human variation is incredibly blended. In fact, two people categorized as the same race can sometimes be genetically more different from one another than from people outside the racial category. The transatlantic slave trade accelerated this process dramatically. Millions of Africans from countless tribes and kingdoms and cultures and ethnic groups were compressed into a single category: black, white. And this was not only social, it was legal, political, economic. Race became embedded into law and labor systems, property rights, citizenship, and social status. Over time, race stopped being merely descriptive and it became structural. And once a category becomes structural, it begins shaping reality itself. Children inherit it, institutions reinforce it, communities organize around it, people internalize it. Eventually, individuals begin experiencing these categories not as systems, but as nature itself.